This is the Weather Xtreme video. It's the morning edition for Friday, the 21st of July. I'm James Spann. Another sizzling summer day today. A few storms around, but over the weekend, chances for showers and storms increasing slowly. Heat levels decreasing slowly. Water vapor satellite view, big old heat bubble over the middle of the country. And that's kind of nosed in here. We do note early this morning a few isolated showers on radar at 5:09. Got a couple over Chilton County, pretty good storm in Wilcox County down in southwest Alabama around the town of Catherine. Those are moving to the southwest around the Ring of Fire, representing the center of that heat. It's a warm summer morning. Birmingham 78 in the city, Tuscaloosa 77. Around the region, look at St. Louis, 85. These are 5 a.m. observations. You know when it's 85 at 5 in the morning, it's going to be pretty hot later in the day. In fact, heat advisories kind of expanded today. Excessive heat warnings for St. Louis and Kansas City and Wichita. The Tennessee Valley up in extreme North Alabama with a heat advisory, and that's basically where the heat index is expected to exceed 105. On top of the heat ridge, severe storms a possibility. An enhanced risk of severe weather today for much of Minnesota, some of the adjacent states. Tomorrow, risk of severe weather from the Great Lakes over to the Atlantic coast. And on day 3, which is Sunday, a risk of severe storms. New York City, Washington, D.C., Pittsburgh, Baltimore, Cincinnati. And down here, we'll have storms around every day, but organized severe weather not expected. This is the average rain for the next 7 days, valid through Friday of next week. 1 to 2 inches, maybe a smidgen more for the Tennessee Valley, but we all know that some folks could see a 1 inch of rain in 30 minutes with these summer downpours. They're scattered and random, so it's always hard to kind of put these maps together. Boy, the tropics here in late July, quiet as a mouse, at least on the Atlantic side. No tropical storm formation expected anytime soon. Model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 1 o'clock, 594 heat ring, just north and west of here. We'll be up in the mid-90s today. Scattered storms mainly over the southern half of the state. This is the high-resolution HRRR at 4 o'clock, suggesting most of the showers and storms south of Interstate 20. That's your best chance of getting a cooling shower today. Here's a look at the forecast highs today coming off the National Digital Forecast Database. And you can see 90s for Alabama, potential for record highs in places like St. Louis. The Weather Service there forecasting 105. Ouch. But again, tomorrow, the heights will be lower, the air more unstable. That should open the door for an increase in showers and storms. The better chance in the afternoon and the evening, and it's not going to rain everywhere, but any one spot stands about almost a 50-50 chance of getting wet. And the same thing on Sunday. And highs for the weekend will be close to 90, maybe upper 80s in spots on Sunday. Monday, pretty moist air, scattered showers and storms, 87 to 90, and the same thing on Tuesday. Then Wednesday, the GFS continues to suggest the air could be a smidgen drier, but again, we'll still mention a chance of an afternoon storm. This is Thursday, looks pretty routine for summer. Highs around 90, scattered afternoon storms a possibility, and this is a week from today, Friday the 28th. Jet stream bit to the north, moist air mass, partly sunny, scattered mostly afternoon and evening storms. This is the end of the forecast period, almost the end of the month. This is Sunday, the 30th of July. That looks just like summertime, and again, same deal. Partly sunny, a storm in spots. And the numbers off the European, after kind of spiking in the mid-90s today, they come back down, maybe a few days with upper 80s, but generally speaking, highs around 90 and lows in the 70s as we go into August. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.